I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a recent iPad OS and enough free space. This avoids crashes when previewing large files. Once ready, locate the file in Photos or Files and tap it to select. Make sure you use the Share or Open in menu. Choose Preview so the app receives the document. Doing this starts the session immediately and preserves original files. This first step gets the file into Preview's environment, where you can annotate, combine, or export, so don't skip selecting the correct source app. Once the document is open, tap the markup icon to access pen, highlighter, text, and shape tools. These let you explain, highlight, or redact quickly. Make sure to switch to thumbnail view for multi-page PDFs. There you can drag to reorder, rotate pages, or swipe to delete. If you need to combine files, drag one document onto another in Files, or use the Share Print trick to create a merged PDF, then export. These actions give you precise control over layout and final output. When you finish editing, tap Done to save and then use Share to export as PDF, image, or copy back to Files or iCloud. This preserves your changes. Once done, choose AirDrop, Mail, or Messages to send. Large PDFs benefit from iCloud links rather than attachments. If Preview misbehaves, force close the app and reboot your iPad, then check storage and install any updates. If problems persist, try opening a smaller file to isolate corruption. This often reveals whether the file or the app caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.